pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara for anyone who's new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but I'm back now with my regular upload schedule, and that is 2 videos a week on Wednesday and Sundays.
And if it's not enough.
So today's video is actually a power hour. That means I will do as much as I can in just 1 hour, and I'm starting in the living room. As you can see, I'm collecting everything that doesn't belong on the coffee table so I can wipe it down. I also have some things laying on the couch, so I will put that away. For cleaning the coffee table, I'm using Splendid kitchen cleaner.
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough,
I will also clean this table and window shelf with the same cleaner I used before, and after I'm done with that, I will also clean the windows. This window is always dirty because my cats are looking out, and the door is always dirty from my dog sticking her nose on
every
it.
corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Now I will dust this TV stand, and I'm using just a microfiber cloth without any product on it. I've been doing it this way for quite some time now, and I really like it. After that, I will fold the clothes that I have hanging in here and vacuum the floors.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too.
I also decided to mop. I have to mop constantly in here because we spend the most time in here, and all the animals are here for the majority of the day, and I'm using my Villetta spin mop. I thought that I broke this pedal for spinning, but it was just dirty in here. I cleaned it out later, and now it works normally.
Curious, maybe you should take it slow.
The last thing I will do in here is hanging a load of laundry. I usually hang my clothes outside during summer, but on this day the weather wasn't that great, so I decided to hang them in there.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Oh.
Now I'm moving into our bedroom where I will make the bed and then I will start folding laundry, which I have a lot. If you are following me for some time now, you know that I always do one load a day to keep up with all the laundry, but lately I like to do 3 or 4 loads in a day, if the weather is nice of course. That way I don't have to worry about it for almost a week. The only bad thing about it is that I don't fold everything right away.
In the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
The last room I will be cleaning is our kitchen, and I'm starting in the dining area. I'm picking up everything from the table so I can clean it, and again I will use the Splendid kitchen cleaner for that and wet cleaning cloth.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly.
I'm taking care of the dishes now and I'm putting away the clean ones before I start washing them, and I had quite a lot on that day.
I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream until I
Now that I'm finally done with the dishes, I'm going to clean the stove top. I'm using this Dr. Beckman glass stove top cleaner, and at the end I will wipe it down with a glass cleaner to make it extra shiny. I will also wipe down the counters with antibacterial wipes. I like to do that at least every couple of days. If I don't use those wipes, I just clean everything with my kitchen cleaner. The last thing I'm going to do in here is scrub the sink, and for that I'm using my R Scrub Cream Cleaner, and as I said in many videos, this cleaner is amazing for that. My sink always looks so clean and shiny, like brand new after I clean it, and it smells amazing. Definitely try it out if you can find it. And that is everything for this video. I hope it motivated you to clean. If you cleaned along with me, please tell me in the comments what you managed to get done. I really love reading those comments and they motivate me so much to do more videos for you. Again, I'm sorry I haven't posted anything. I've been very busy and there are some other reasons why I have been gone, but I'm not gonna go into details on that. The important thing is I'm back and I'm ready to post regularly again. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new and leave a like or a comment. It helps me a lot, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!